Hello, Happee Knitters, and welcome to day 7 of the 12 Days of Christmas KAL. So, our winner for today is entry number 14. Try Linda, or Linda, which is your name. You're from Pennsylvania, and I heard that you knitted a fantastic hat. So, now for what you have won today. First off, you have won a skein of Vitellana. Of Vitellana Ambient Worsted.
Alright.
Its colorway is. What's that say?
I think it's Titian.
Titian. We're gonna go with that.
That's what we're gonna say. I'm behind the cameras.
It is 100% Peruvian Highland wool. Peruvian. Worsted weight 100 yards and 50 grams. That's prize number 1. You have also won another skein of Vitellana. Its colorway is Honey and Jam.
That's one of my favorite colorways.
Look at that.
I know, isn't it pretty?
Peanut butter and jam.
I don't think so. Well, I guess, oh yeah,
Honey
okay.
and jam.
Okay.
Yeah. It's 70% merino wool, 20% nylon, and 10% silk. Alright. Thirdly, you have one of the little Happee Knits pins. I do believe this is what that is. And you have one of the bags that you can choose what you want to put on it. One of the canvas length bags.
Ooh. So let me know what you want to put on it, okay?
Stay tuned. We'll be back with you tomorrow for day 8.